Hey, YouTube. It's your old buddy, Captain Dave, with Alabama Floats. Out here with Southern Paddler. Woohoo! Out here on the creek, hanging out. As usual, he done found him a place to build a fire. He's done had coffee and breakfast.
Yeah.
Hey, nothing to see here. Sorry about that. I may play that back in slow-mo. That'd be a good action sequence. What time is it? I don't even know. 12:31.
It's almost, it's 10 to 1.
10 to 1.
Yep.
Saturday, we slept in this morning. Took our time getting out here. Came out on the creek. Just have something to do. I started out fishing. Had to lay down up there. Caught 3 or 4 crappie. One of them real nice. So y'all get to see that. May do a little more fishing, may not. I don't know. Got a bunch of social functions this evening, so gotta knock off early, but it's all good. So yeah, got me a hat. Gave myself a promotion to captain. So yeah, 2023. Captain Dave's gonna try to get in some new adventures, or just keep doing the same old crap too, which is probably the more likely option. There's my real hat back there on the ground. Cheese and crackers.
Put a handle on that thing.
I need a selfie stick, y'all. That's whatever. 2023 is off to a roaring start, so stick around, see what happens. Club last summer.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm not so embarrassed to tell you.
No.
Joel dropped his in the creek and I was laughing at him. Within 3 days.
Look at it.
You got it.
Hey, there you go.
Within 3 days.
Woo.
You got a good
Man, that's a keeper right there.
Yes, sir.
I guarantee.
Look at you.
Man. I mean, you know what's really sad? Hey, what's sad is I meant to bring my cooking kit. I told my brother I was going to, if I caught something, I was going to cook it.
Well, listen, if you want to do that, if you got a way to keep them, if you ain't, you can put them in this live well here and come back and get 'em.
I was going to, he's going to go up and make some coffee. And I said, well, you get up there and he'll build a fire and everything.
Okay.
And I said, hey, if I catch some fish, I'll cook them. Well, I forgot my cook kit.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I was going to cook them creekside, but boy, that's a pretty little fish too. Doggone.
That's real good.
Man, y'all want them? You keeping the limit?
We
No.
don't eat 'em.
All right.
We don't eat them.
I got you. I do once in a while just for fun, but I'm usually too lazy to go through all the trouble. Oh, there we go. There you go. Oh boy, look at that. Doggone. Ooh, son. Man, that's a good looking crappie. Man.
How deep was you?
About 6 foot. Well, you lucky I forgot my cook kit, man. You've been a pan right now, sizzling up. That's a good looking fish.
Water temperature.
I've been watching them throw those bass assassin looking things.
Yeah.
It seems to work, but I ran out. I used this guy, and lo and behold, he caught some.
We sat right out there at that tree and I fished this thing tight line.
Yeah.
Kind of jigging the minnow.
Right.
And I bet you I caught 10 or 12 bass.
Oh, wow.
And some of them was on up in the weight. 3
Okay.
pounds or so.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Watch Richard Jean show you how to make weedless jigs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he'll show you use fishing line.
Yeah.
He makes them.
I'll be done. I missed that one. Boy, I got one hung in the tree limb now.
Oh yeah, that's why I've had 2 of them so far.
Come on, buddy. Come on over here. We'll get you out one way or another.
I got a dead minnow. Yeah, I got a dead minnow.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Get down there. Oh, God.
Doing a test, boy. I'm gonna put this big minnow on.
All gone. I hooked the fish in the limb. That's the problem.
You got the whole rig.
I got everybody today. Come on, everybody. There we go. There we go. He's small, but he's a pretty fish.
Around here, don't let them catch you with anything under 9.
Oh, yeah.
It's $150 per fish.
Woo, son. That's stout.
That's more than all this old man needs.
Yeah. You and me both. There we go. There we go. Beetle spin came through, baby. What you got? Baby white bass? Yeah. I knew y'all was in here. I'm trying to catch you all day, man. I'll take a little fella. I will take it, buddy. Thank you. Fish in the rain. Can't beat it. Yeah, we had a little island right here. I was really hoping to get some activity of some kind. And here's some duck hunters back behind me. Ooh, there's a little better white bass. No, not much better. Anyway, hope that's duck hunters behind me. All right, buddy. Hey, come on, man. Be cool. Oh, there you go. There you go. Little white bass. Thanks, bud.